You're cleaning the baby. It's a baby. Baby pretty? Baby pretty. Baby wants to make poo-poos?
Yeah. Look, poo-poos.
Baby made poo-poos?
Yeah.
Abigail made poo-poos in the diaper?
No.
Yes. You made stinky poo-poos in the diaper. Pretend. Okay, pretend. It's pretend. Oh, baby has to wash her hands. Can you wash her hands? No. Okay, wash the baby with soap.
And brush the teeth.
Yes.
No more soap.
No more soap, all done soap. Now you have to wash the baby's hands and wash baby.
No more.
No more soap? Oh no.
More.
More, okay, more. Soap, 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 soap coming out. Soap, soap, soap. Oh, now the baby is going to be so clean. Baby needs more soap? Yes. The baby is sitting.
Yeah.
Abigail, we have to go upstairs. Yes, you finish with the baby. We'll go upstairs. We'll brush our teeth. You want more soap? Then you have to brush your teeth. And then you have to change the diaper. More what? Okay, you have more soap. Abigail, can you say hi, Mama? Hi, Daddy. Love you.